In this video, we'll be talking about one very important ingredient of profitable advertisement. And what we want to talk about today, this content strategy that I want to talk about, it will work on all platforms, almost all platforms, irrespective of the platform you are using for your own advertisements, whether it is Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or you are using influencers. This content strategy will help you. Why? Because there is a saying that content is king, and this also work for advertisements also. The reason is what people see is your content, the content of your video, your image, your write-up. This will determine whether they want to follow you, they want to know more about you, or they will click away and decide never to have anything to do with you. Okay, so your content is very important. Because of my position, I have been running ad on Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Instagram for the past 5 years. I see ad a lot, and when I see ad, I see some ad. What most people do is that they want to make sales, and because they are hungry for sales, they don't care. They want to sell to everybody, including strangers. Now there is a problem with selling to strangers. Strangers hardly buy. What has helped me a lot is the understanding of KLT. KLT meaning for people to be able to buy from you, they have to know you first. People don't buy from you if they don't know you. Then after knowing you, they have to like you. If they don't like you, they are not going to buy from you. Then even if they like you, they don't trust you, they are not going to buy from you as well. So what your content should be doing first is to create awareness. It's just for people to know you, and after knowing you, you want them to like you. So that will determine the kind of content you will create. As you are creating that content, what should be in your mind is that, will this content make my audience, make internet users to like me? Will this content make them want to follow me, want to learn more about me? Because if someone has seen your content once, by the time he see it second time, he may decide either to click on it and say, wow, this guy, I have seen his content before, very valuable. He may want to click on it again. Or your content can create that impression in him, and by the time he see that content, he say, he will click away. So your content will either drive them to want to like you or will drive them away. So what I always encourage my students is, when you are running ad, this is your first advertisement, or you are showing that ad to a cold audience. And what I mean by cold audience are people that have never known you before. The content you should be using should be to educate them, and you are educating them on probably the problem that your product solves. Don't tell them about your product yet. Don't tell them that you are selling anything. Just discuss about the problem that your product solves. Then in the next advertisement, that is when you will now talk about solution to that problem that you have discussed earlier. Then it is in your subsequent advertisement that you will now tell them that it is your product that can solve the problem. And because they have enjoyed the previous content, they may decide that this is the person that can help me out of this problem. And that is why they can decide to buy or patronize you. So this is one of the things that have helped me so much in my advertisements in the past 5 years. And that is why I want to hold a live webinar this weekend. I want to review this strategy to as many people as possible that want to attend that webinar. And in my years of running advertisements on this platform that I've just mentioned now, I have discovered about 7 ingredients of profitable advertisements, and that is what I want to discuss in that webinar. So if you are interested in attending that webinar, all you need to do is tap on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to where you can register for the webinar. All right, see you there. Bye.